kasama ko. Kaya nga ako yung, mag-season 2 tayo para magkasama kami ulit lahat talaga. Because, you know, when you're put in a situation na na-challenge ka, because you're getting out of your comfort zone. Siyempre, pag nakakatrabaho mo yung mga fellow Filipino actors mo, medyo, syempre, parang familiar space siya eh. Pero when you're working with new people, it's so refreshing. And, ano nga ulit yung pinaka-last mo, ano?
Ano yung mamimiss mo?
Ayun, it's a refreshing experience for me. So, na-enjoy ko siya. Feeling ko in the midst of all of the challenges namin sa kitchen, we all became tighter because of that. Para talaga kaming naging team talaga because we really wanted to make sure na that we be able to tell the story the way everybody who's part of this project proud talaga, like